Hello, Richard from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokenry dELTA in black, NGRS. This one has got installed a full package, everything apart from the retro arms gearbox shell, but I'll go over them. It's got the FPS piston head, FPS cylinder head, FPS cylinder, FPS tapper plate. It's got the Prometheus gold stop bars to allow Dean's connector to fit at the back here. It's got the FPS spring guide, FPS air nozzle. It's got the Ronin 31K brushless motor, so from Warhead. It's got the Prometheus 280mm barrel. It's got the Prometheus 18-to-1 gears. It's got a Prometheus selector plate. It's got a Lalax trigger pin on the side. It's got the Prometheus anti-reverse latch. It's got the Prometheus bearings. It's got a Psionic number 7 R-hop kit. It's got the upgraded Recoil spring from EagleSix. It's got a Gate Titan Expert and an EagleSix upgraded mainspring. We're just going to do some testing on different functions just to make sure everything's all working. It's all feeding okay. Really like the combination of the 31K motors with the 18-to-1s. You don't have to worry about it being too fast in terms of rate of fire. Yeah, it's still obviously a really nice trigger response and rate of fire. There you go. So all built. We hope you enjoy. Obviously a lovely gun, and yeah, we hope you have lots of fun with it. Thank you.